AT&T provides highly secure private Wi-Fi for your employees and company devices. Easy to set up, you can customize your private SSID by going to Brand Management and to the SSID tab. The private SSID is preset to back office and a random 4-digit number, but you can customize it by clicking on the Edit icon. Click on the first box labeled SSID to change the name. Then click View Edit by the pre-shared key and enter a password for this private Wi-Fi network. Make any other changes you like and then click Save. Next, click Assign to all venues to apply the changes, and soon your customized private SSID will be active at all locations. Using the Customer Portal, you can easily manage the private Wi-Fi experience for all your locations, or even have different experiences for groups of locations. Delivering highly reliable, highly efficient, and highly secure connectivity. AT&T Business Wi-Fi.